Today was a long day. Started out in Manapuri, got on the boat, crossed Lake Manapuri, and we drove across the Wilmot Pass, and we got on the boat, took the boat through the Doubtful Sound all the way out to the very end, reaching the Tasman Sea. We turned around, made our way back, saw some fur seals, saw a Fiordland crested penguin, dropped the anchor, went kayaking, and then I jumped into that frigid cold water, 8 degrees. It was really cold. Then we had an awesome feed, 3-course buffet style, some good drinks, went up to the top deck, saw the stars. Yeah, really long day. Anyways, right now the boat is anchored, tucked away in the Doubtful Sound, and this is where we're spending the night. Tomorrow's gonna be an early morning, 6:30 a.m. The captain is gonna start the engine, so that's gonna be our wake-up call. They're gonna lift the anchor, and then we're gonna continue exploring Doubtful Sound. So for now, it's time to go to bed. It's about 10:40, so we should get some shut-eye. It's bright. So this is it, day 2 on our Doubtful Sound cruise through the Fiordland National Park aboard the Fiordland Navigator ship. It's about 6:26 a.m. They just started the engine. You could hear the rumbling. They're gonna pull up the anchor soon, and it's starting to become light out. Are we moving?
No.
It looks like we're moving. Or maybe not. Because of the cover of the mountains, there's no real sunrise, but you can see the lights coming out right now. And they're gonna pull up the anchor pretty soon. So, I'm gonna get ready and we're gonna go out on board to enjoy the peaceful serenity of the morning here in the Doubtful Sound. Yeah? Okay. The views are dramatically different here, just early in the morning compared to yesterday. Look at this. It's just a thin layer of haze, just the right amount of fog. It's breathtaking. Oh, hi Ling. Enjoying your morning coffee?
It's just water.
Oh, out here in the Doubtful Sound.
It is such a mood here right now.
Yeah, right? So different compared to yesterday.
Yeah. Do you guys want a picture together? I appreciate that. Yeah, thank you. We'll take, sorry, you're gonna have to go back downstairs. What?
Capitano, getting us safely to our destination. This guy must have been up at the butt crack of dawn to get this boat up and running, because at 6:26 on the dot, the engines started up.
You have a horse?
Got a much heavy. They got HP sauce. I think I'm most excited about that. I haven't had HP sauce in so long. I wanted 1 hash brown. Got 2 for the price of 1.
Hey, if the fish is too big to eat, I'll bring it 2 points, so we'll sneak up as quietly as we can and hope.
Where'd you go, mate? Kind of see.
Closer to this window.
Oh, damn it. I missed it. I think he's worried about the seagulls, maybe.
There's a fur seal somewhere here. He has a fish in his mouth. He's going in and out of the water.
Is that them? The white that I see? Oh!
No, those are shags, no?
That's a shag? So we just finished our brekkie, morning brekkie of hash browns, baked beans, sausages, HP sauce, bacon. The water is nice and still and calm. It's just absolutely beautiful right now. Think you got some good photos?
Yeah.
Just look at that. Feels like a different place. Yeah, we were passing through it a second time.
Can you take a... Where are we looking? Huh?
Looking for some little blues. Chilly out there, so grab me a hot chocolate.
No.
Chocolate. No. Oh, wrong button. Enjoying my hot chocolate here. Doubtful sound, there's no Wi-Fi, there's no data. Kind of forces you to just disconnect and really soak in the scenery, the stillness.
Somewhere you do not have to move. So no walking please, no talking. There's a few rules and regulations to this one, I'm afraid. And I'm going to challenge you as well with something we call the camera challenge. So for a few minutes when we shut her all off, challenge yourself to put those cameras away. Don't worry, the scenery will still be there when we start up again. And just view nature through your own lens for a few moments.
This is gonna be tough. Gotta shut off my cameras. Alright.
Take my hood off because the rustling of the hood.
I'm gonna stop recording now. What followed was 5 minutes of complete stillness. All that could be heard was the soothing sounds of cascading waterfalls in the distance, the occasional series of bird calls, and water lapping against the side of the boat. It was like having an oven vent on for several hours and then suddenly turning it off. I was very uncomfortable at the start of the exercise, as every part of me wanted to continue filming out of fear that I would miss something and never get that moment back. But after a few minutes, I was able to relax into my inner stillness by means of the outer stillness surrounding me. And just when I felt myself entering a state of complete presence, the engines of the Fjordland Navigator came roaring back to life, and we continued onward towards our end destination. Just doing the most important thing when you leave a room, the one over, making sure we didn't forget any cell phone charger cables, equipment, gear. Yeah, I think we're good. Ready to roll.
Oh, see, almost forgot.
Almost forgot the GoPro.
See?
Just kidding, psych. Psych.
Where's Rosemary?
Alas, it's time to disembark. Very sad. I wish I could just get back in my cabin and stay for another trip.
Yeah, I do that all over again.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Ling doesn't want to leave.
I don't.
I don't blame you one bit.
Yes, I love this bus.
Tony's the man, so we're getting on his bus. Good times.
Who was right to do this excursion? Who was right? I could wait forever.
My wife was right.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome mate, take care, eh?
Thanks again, Tony. Have a good one. Let's go.